Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. Today we'll be doing a daily yoga practice for beginners. We'll be starting with some Sukshma Vyayama or gentle stretches for warm up and then moving on to some basic asana practice. This session can also be done by yogis who have been practicing for a while but just want to do something gentle today. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
Let us start by coming into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Ground your sit bones into the mat, lengthen the spine and roll the shoulders back. As you inhale, tilt your head back and look up. Exhale, bring the chin to chest. Again, inhale up. Exhale, look down. Once more, inhale up. Exhale down and come back to center. We'll go left to right, inhale right, exhale center, inhale left, exhale center, right, center, left, center. One last time. And come back to center. Now tilt the head to the right and left. Try to keep the shoulders relaxed. One last time, going to the right, center, left. Then start rotating the head forward, going to the right and back. Let's go in this direction for 3 rounds. One last round. And let's reverse the direction. Inhaling on the way back, exhale forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. One last round. And come back to center. Now bring both the hands to the shoulders and let's start rotating the elbows in backward direction. Going for 3, 2, 1 and then reverse. Going forward for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Let's bring both the hands forward and start rotating the wrists in outward direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and then let's take them in for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now point the fingers of the right hand down and pull the right hand back with the left, getting a nice stretch in the right forearm. And then let's do it for the other side. And relax. Now bring both hands behind the back, grabbing the right wrist with the left. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to the right and then bend forward to bring your forehead close to the right knee. Stay here for a breath and slowly come back up. Let's change the grip. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to the left and bend forward and slowly come back up. At the center again, inhale, exhale, bend forward, bringing the forehead close to the mat or the floor. Staying here for a breath and slowly come back up. Now bring both the feet together with soles of the feet together in butterfly legs and let's start flapping the knees up and down in butterfly pose for 3, 2, 1 and relax. Then staying in the position, bend forward, getting a nice stretch in the groin region and slowly come back up. Now let's extend both the legs forward and we'll do some stretches for the ankles. Inhale, point the feet. Exhale, pull them back. Let's do this for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 And let's start rotating the feet in clockwise direction, trying to make the circles as big as possible. And then reverse. 3, 2, 1, and relax, shaking out the legs side to side. And from here, let's get up into a standing position. Let us stand with our feet hip distance wide. Distribute the weight equally on all the 4 corners of the feet. Engage the legs, pull the navel in, tucking the tailbone down, and roll the shoulders back. Bring both the hands in front, and as you inhale, extend the entire body up, stretching up, coming on your tippy toes, and slowly come down. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale, stretch up, coming into Tadasana, focusing on a point in front. Slowly come down. One last time. Inhale up. Exhale down and relax. Now let's take the feet slightly out. As you inhale, extend the left arm up, and as you exhale, bend towards the right. Try to keep the hips centered, looking up towards the ceiling. Come back. Let's do it on the other side. Inhale up, exhale, bend to the left. Come back to center. We'll do it 2 more times on each side. Try to keep the hips centered so that you get a nice stretch along the torso. One last round, going to the right, center, going to the left, center, and relax. Now let's bring both the arms at shoulder level, placing the feet slightly more than hip distance wide, keeping the feet parallel. Bring the left hand to the right shoulder, taking the right hand behind as you twist to the right. Inhale, center, exhale, twist to the left. Let's do this 5 times on each side. Inhaling, center, exhaling, twist. Keep both the feet parallel and try not to raise your heels as you do this. Last round. And come back to center and relax. Now come into a wide-legged stance and adjust the feet so that the right foot is pointing to the right, left foot is pointing forward. Bring both the arms to shoulder level. Inhale, extend to the right. Exhale, bend sideways, coming into triangle pose. Bring the right hand on the right shin and look up towards the left thumb. Try to keep the torso in line with the hips. And then slowly come back up. We'll do it once more. Bring the arms to shoulder level. Inhale, extend to the right. Exhale, bend sideways and look up towards the left thumb. Try to keep the core engaged so that you don't put too much pressure on the right shin. And slowly come up. Let's repeat it on the other side. Just the feet so that the left foot is pointing to the left and right foot is pointing forward. Inhale, extend to the left. Exhale, bend sideways, looking up towards the right thumb. Slowly come back up. Let's do it once more. Inhale, extend to the left. Exhale, bend sideways. Stay for a breath. And slowly come back up and relax. Bring both the feet in. And now let's get down onto the mat. Now let's lie down on our belly, preparing for Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. Bring both hands on either sides of the chest. As you inhale, start raising the head and the chest up, rising up only till the navel, keeping the shoulders rolled back and the elbows tucked in. Stay for a breath and slowly come down. We'll do it 2 more times. This time, try to keep your feet together and feel the difference in your glutes. Inhale, come up. Feeling the engagement in the lower back and the glutes. Slowly come back. We'll do it one last time. Inhale, come up into Cobra pose, keeping the glutes engaged. And slowly come back. From here, push the hips back and bend forward, coming into child's pose. Let's stay here for 5 deep breaths, breathing into the stretch in the lower back, glutes, back of the chest, and the space between the shoulder blades. Slowly walk the hands back. Now let's extend the right leg straight forward, bringing the left foot close to the perineum. As you inhale, extend both the arms up, stretching up. Exhale, fold forward, coming into Janu Shirshasana. You can bring your hands to the shins or the foot, whatever feels comfortable. As you inhale, extend the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Going a bit more forward with each breath. Keeping the right foot flexed so that the toes are pointing towards the ceiling. And slowly come back up. Let's do it once more. Inhale up. Exhale, bend forward. Slowly going all the way down, feeling the stretch in the back of the right leg. And come back up. Now raise the left knee so that the knee is pointing towards the ceiling. Take the left arm behind the back. As you inhale, extend the right arm up. Exhale, wrap it around the left thigh and twist to the left, looking over the left shoulder. With every inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist a bit more. Once more, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. And come back. We'll repeat this on the other side. Bring the right foot close to the perineum, grounding the sit bones into the mat. Inhale, extend the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward. Keep the left foot flexed. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, forward. And slowly come back. Let's do it once more. Inhale, extend up. Exhale, bend forward. Trying to bring the abdomen close to the left thigh. And slowly come back up. Raise the right knee up. Taking the right hand behind. Inhale, extend the left arm up. Exhale, twist to the right. Staying for 3, 2, 1, and come back. From here, let's get all the way down onto the mat, rolling down sideways, coming onto our back. Bring both the feet in close to the hips, bringing the hands on either sides of the hips. Inhale, and as you exhale, push into the feet and start raising the hips up, coming into Setu Bandhasana, the bridge pose. Stay for a breath and slowly come down one vertebrae at a time. We'll do it 2 more times. Inhale into the belly. Exhale, push the hips up, coming into bridge pose. And slowly come down one vertebrae at a time. Last time, inhale. Exhale, pull the navel in and push the hips up. Keep the knees in. And slowly come back down and relax. Bring both the knees in, hugging the knees close to the chest. Coming into Pavan Muktasana. And then you can raise your head up, bringing the nose close to the knees. Rolling side to side, massaging the spine. And relax. Now let's bring one hand on the belly and one on the chest. And do some deep abdominal breathing in this position. As you inhale, feel your belly rising up. And as you exhale, the belly falls down. Inhale deeply, feeling the expansion in the belly and a gentle rise in the chest. Exhale, the belly falls down and the chest relaxes. Let's do it 3 more times. Inhale and exhale. Feeling the effects of today's practice on your mind and body. One last deep breath in and a long breath out. Then slowly turn to one side and come up into an easy cross-legged sitting position. We'll finish the practice with an Om chant. Take a deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly bring the hands together at heart center and let's start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently place the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's session. I'll see you with the next daily practice soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.